and we thoroughly enjoyed our helicopter flight over the tip. We went there this morning on land, and now we've done the over the tip.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah.
Go on, you tell your
you.
story. I've been on helicopter rides before, but today was the best, definitely. And I couldn't walk up to the tip, but I enjoyed flying over it. It was lovely. And I'll be 89 on Friday, so I think it may be my last helicopter ride, but who knows? There's always 90 next year.
Yeah, thank you.
It was lovely, thank you.
And happy birthday.
Yeah, I highly recommend it. It was a great trip.
Thank you very much.